In this video, we're going to install SiteAudit Hosted version 7 control panel. And in this particular case, we have the 6.8 version Hosted Administrator already installed. So we're just going to walk through uninstalling that first and then installing the control panel. If you are on a clean system, you can skip this first step and move straight ahead to the installation. So the first thing you'll want to do is to close your SiteAudit Viewer, and then go to your Windows Control Panel, uninstall program, and uninstall SiteAudit. Okay, it's gone. So now what we're going to do is install the SiteAudit, what we call control panel, and you'll have received a link. If you're on a new machine, we recommend that you install this on a Windows 10 machine. So let's go ahead and click this link. It'll take you to a website where you can download the software. Now, if you want the installer in a different language, you can choose that, but most people should leave this at the 64-bit version. If you know your operating system is 32-bit version, you can use that, but that's probably unlikely. So click download. And it'll take, I don't know, 20-30 seconds for this to start the download process. Now I'm running Microsoft's Edge Chromium browser. It's a little bit more secure than just Internet Explorer or something like that, and so it may ask for additional permissions to download the software. So we'll see that here in just a moment. Okay, it's starting the download. This file size is about 44 megabyte. Okay, and so you can see it says that it was blocked because it could harm your device. In this case, we'll click these three dots and say keep it anyway. And it still pops up this dialog, and it says it could harm your device. We see here that it's a SiteAudit Control Panel, and it's from Netaphor software. So let's just go ahead and say keep it anyway. Now once that's done, we can click Show in Folder. And here's our software. I'm going to go ahead and close this and just double click the installer link, and that'll start the installation. All right, so again, Windows is trying to protect us. I'm going to click more information. You can see who the publisher is here and click Run Anyway. All right, the first thing you see is it says it's SiteAudit Control Panel version 7. I'm going to say accept the license agreement. I'm just going to install for me, default location, and install. Okay, it's finished. Click the Finish button. And what it's going to do now is it's going to connect automatically. I'm going to say OK. And the first thing it does is going to ask you to log in. Now, the first time you log in, it'll come up and you'll get to use your account. You'll sign in here with your email address that you provided to us. Okay, and enter your password. And the very first time that you log into the control panel, it's going to pop up this Microsoft Identity dialog here asking you to review the permissions and make sure it's okay. So it would like to sign in as you and read your name and email address. So you'll have to hit accept. Just going ahead and confirming that. And then what you'll see is the control panel will start automatically. Okay, so from here we have some other videos that show you how to use a control panel and the various tasks that are in here. But the thing that most of you are probably familiar with, if you go to Applications, is the SiteAudit Viewer. You just click that to launch the viewer, and it's going to open up the SiteAudit Viewer. And you will have access to all the customers that you had access to previously. What you'll see here is a quick select for all your customers. You can go to any of your customers and do the normal management that you're used to. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's really easy to get up and started with the new version 7 control panel. As always, if you have any questions, contact us at support@netaphor.com. We'll be happy to help.